Lord Hussain knows that 2 Sikhs traders in Peshawar were murdered last week because of their religion. In 1947, British created 2 countries, one to promote people on the basis of their religion, the second to promote people regardless of their religion. And you can see the 2 different countries now. And you will see people in Pakistan, like Ahmadiyas, like Sikhs, like Christians, like Hindus, are persecuted, forcibly converted. Shia mosques are attacked, and this must stop in the other side as well. And I would like to ask, who is supplying arms to the terrorists in Kashmir? Who is training them, and who is encouraging them to create a disruption in a paradise? Kashmir was people of different faith lived in harmony in Kashmir until 1947. So, my Lord, you must not allow people to devalue fellow Kashmiri on the basis of their religion. Thank you.